यस गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों. दिस इज ए स्क्वायर and we will calculate the diagonal of this square. So let side of square is a. So this is a, this side is a, this is a, and this will be also a, because all the sides of squares are equal. So and all angles of squares are 90 degree. So you can watch this triangle is a isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles means triangle which having two sides equal. So this side is equal to this one because these two sides are sides of square. This angle is right angle. So you can say this angle and this angle will be up 45 degree. How can we say? Because these two sides are equal, one angle is 90 degree, so these two angles will make 90 degree, and because these two sides are equal, so angle opposite to this side, this one, and angle opposite to this side, this one, will be equal. So both angle will be equal and both side will be equal according to property of isosceles triangle. So how can we calculate this diagonal or hypotenuse of this triangle? So you can calculate it by Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, what does Pythagoras theorem say? Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other legs. So how to identify hypotenuse? Sides opposite to right angle. This is the right angle and this is the side opposite to right angle. This is side called hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse of this triangle. So square on the hypotenuse means AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. So we just applied Pythagoras theorem here. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AB square is A and BC square also A. So A square plus A square equal to 2A square. Now this is AC square. So what will be AC? AC will be under root 2 times of A. Square root of 2 is under root 2 and square root of A is A. So AC will be equal to under root 2 times of A. Now you can see if side is A, then hypotenuse of this triangle, isosceles right triangle, equal to root 2 times of A. So we will conclude that diagonals of square is equal to root 2 times of its sides. Thank you.